Mr. Richards here. I'm going to show you how to work on your final Q2 coding project. So what we're going to be doing is adding to our personal web page, and your requirements are to add 2 HTML pages. So you have a total of 3 HTML pages. All 3 pages need to be linked to each other. Okay, and as long as you have all the other requirements done, those were a heading, a paragraph, a picture, and an ordered or unordered list, you're pretty much done with the project. So I'm going to show you about how to do this. Here is my personal page, my project page, my example. Like I said, it's got a header, a paragraph, a picture, and a list. So it had all the requirements for the project. It also has a style file with some additional style. We don't need to really mess with that when we're working here. So what we need to do is make 2 more HTML pages. So I'm going to go up to my Add HTML. I'm going to click it twice. Now I'm going to be making, this is a personal website, I'm going to make a page for my family and a page for my pets. So right away I'm going to rename one family and I'm going to name the other one pets. Awesome. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to create the links from my home page, which is this index page here, to each of my other pages. So I'll get ready to make my link, and the format for that, oh, by the way, I should probably pick where I'm going to put my links. And I want them right underneath the header here. So here's my header. I want them right underneath it. So that's where I'm going to put them. So I'm going to start here. A tag href equals, I'm going to use the autofill to do home first. So that's my index page. Content will say home. Finish that off with the A tag. There we go. We can see that that shows up right there. So far so good. Do the same thing for my family page, and that's the family, and the same thing for my pets page. All right, so I got my links. Awesome. Now what I need to do is I need to get these links on each of my other pages, because you notice the family link will take me to my family page, but there's nothing on this page and there's nowhere to get back, and the same with my pets page. But I'm not just going to copy my links, and here's why. I like this header, these links, and this line here. I want to have that on each of my pages, and it's the fastest to just go ahead and copy those elements from my index page and paste them into my other 2 pages. So I'm going to do that now. So copy it, paste it in the body of my pets page. I'll change it from about me to my pets. Awesome. I'll go to my family page, paste it in, and I'll change that to my family. Awesome. Okay, so now in each one of my other pages I have those same 3 links, and they take me between and to each one of the pages I have. So far so good. Now what I need to do is add a little bit of content to each one of these pages, but the first thing I'm going to do is link my style sheet, because you'll see I have this blue background, blue header, and all this stuff going on this page, but not on my other 2. So I just need to copy in my style sheet link. So Command C to copy, paste it in the header of my family page, paste it in the header of my pets page. We're good to go, all right? One more thing I can do real quick is I got this this A tag, and these links are really small, so I'm going to change the font size to like something bigger. There we go. And notice this is the A is a tag that you can write rules for, so I just wrote a rule. Maybe 36 is too big. Let's try 30. That's a little bit better. Okay, cool. And a little hack that you can use if you want to. I tried the text align tag, and that didn't seem to do anything for these links, and I'm not sure why. So if you want to align your links in the center, this is a little hack or something I found out, you can just use a center tag. Put it right there, and it will center whatever comes after it, which is kind of interesting. Unfortunately, it does center everything after it, so you notice this paragraph is centered too, but you know, you can use that. Okay, now all I would have to do is go into my other 2 pages, maybe write a little paragraph or something about my family, and you get full credit. So this is the way that you should do your project. Oh, and this is on lesson 7, part 5. This is the last place we did our project. So hopefully you have something done that you can add to. If you don't have something done, then the first thing you have to do on this project is you have to have a header, you have to have a paragraph, you have to include a picture and a list. Okay, and there has to be some style. All right, and if you need help with that, ask me, but this video is probably going to give you a good start. All right, good luck everybody.